Hey everybody, come sing with me. Let's all learn our ABCs. Hey everybody, come sing with me. A, B, C, D. A is for alpaca. The alpaca says hum, hum. A is for alpaca. B is for bear. The bear says roar. B is for bear. C is for cat. The cat says meow, meow. C is for cat. D is for dog. The dog says woof, woof. D is for dog. Can you say alpaca? Alpaca! Can you say bear? Bear! Now let's learn more animals. E, F, G, H. E is for eagle. The eagle says screech. E is for eagle. E. F is for fish. The fish says bloop, 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 bloop. F is for fish. G is for goat. The goat says ba. G is for goat. H is for horse. The horse says neigh. H is for horse. Can you say fish? Fish. Can you say goat? Goat. Now let's learn more animals. I, J, K, L. I is for iguana. It. The iguana says click, click. I is for iguana. It. J is for jaguar. The jaguar says roar. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo says boing, boing. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. The lion says roar. L is for lion. Can you say lion? Lion. Can you say jaguar? Jaguar. Now let's learn more ABCs. M, N, O, P. M is for mouse. The mouse says squeak, squeak. M is for mouse. N is for nightingale. The nightingale says tweet, tweet. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. The owl says hoot, hoot. O is for owl. P is for pig. The pig says oink, oink. P is for pig. Can you say mouse? Mouse. Can you say pig? Pig. Now let's learn more animals. Q, R, S, T. Q is for quail. The quail says cheep, 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 cheep. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. R is for rooster. S is for seal. The seal says or. S is for seal. T is for tiger. The tiger says grrr. T is for tiger. Can you say quail? Quail. Can you say rooster? Rooster. Can you say seal? Seal. Can you say tiger? Tiger. Now let's learn more animals. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U is for unicorn. U.